29. Joan of Arc. Okay, nice lesson. Listen properly. Okay, George Bernard Shaw, born 1856 and died 1950. Okay, was an Irish playwright and critic. He wrote more than 60 plays during his lifetime, including major works such as Man and Superman 1902. That time he written, okay, and Pygmalion 1912 and Saint John 1923. He was the leading dramatist of his time. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1925. See how famous, no? So you also try to write, at least give importance to English also. English subject. Okay, highest in English only 86. Other subject 94, 98, 96. So please work hard. Give importance to English subject also. That humble request for you. Now see the war fought, see lesson, okay, the war fought between England and France from 1337 to 1453 has come to be known as the 100 Years War. Okay, 1337 to 1453 has come to be known, so it is known 100 Years War. Okay, why? Continuous. Okay, 1337 to 1453 continuous war, no? So it is called 100 Years War. Joan was a peasant girl, poor village girl. Okay, born in eastern France. Where she was born? Eastern France. Who led means led past tense, okay, French army to several victories during this war. That Joan of Arc, okay, 17 to 18 years girl, poor girl. See how brave, no? So you also work hard, okay, be brave. Now see next para. This play begins at the time when all of northern France and some parts of the southwest were under foreign control. That time this play begins, okay. The English controlled some parts English controlled, and the Burgundians controlled the others, other part Burgundians, one part English controlled, okay. The city of New Orleans, one of the few remaining French cities, was held by the English. The city of New Orleans, one of the few remaining French cities, was held by the English, who ruled by English. The year in 1429, Captain Robert Day, okay, Captain Robert de Baudricourt, a military officer, is seated at the table. His steward stands facing him. Okay, now see here play starts. Okay, 1929. After that, Captain Robert de Baudricourt, captain's name. Okay, full name Captain Robert de Baudricourt is full name. Okay, see here written. Okay, Baudricourt, a military officer. Who was he? A military officer. He is seated at the table. His steward stands facing him. Actually, steward means a person employed to manage a large household work. Okay, person employed to manage a large household or any work. That means steward. Now see, steward stands facing him. Okay, in front of him, who stand? Steward. Okay, now see here story start, play start. Okay, I told you to throw the girl out. You have 50 armed soldiers and dozens of strong servants to carry out my orders. Are they afraid of her? No, Robert said, I told you to throw the girl out. Here outside who is standing? Actually Joan of Arc. Okay, you have 50 armed soldiers. You have 50 armed soldiers full of, along with weapon. Armed soldiers means, okay, and dozens of strong servants. Dozens means 12 number of strong, healthy servants. Okay, to carry out my orders, to follow my orders. To carry out my orders means to follow my orders. Are they afraid of her? All are afraid of her. 50 soldiers and 12 servants, strong servants. Okay, who said? Robert. To whom? Here, steward. No, steward is standing in front of him. Okay, no, sir. We are afraid of you. But she puts courage in us. Courageous girl. So she puts courage in us. She really doesn't seem to be afraid of anything. Courageous girl, okay? She really doesn't seem to be afraid of anything. Perhaps you couldn't frighten her, sir. Perhaps you could frighten her. You could frighten her, perhaps. See, okay? I think you are frightened her. Now Robert, okay? Captain Robert, okay? Here. Grimly, grimly means seriously. Perhaps, where is she now? Down in the courtyard, sir. Okay, grimly means seriously. Where is she now? Down in the courtyard, sir. Robert goes to the window. Now listen, okay? Robert grimly means seriously. Perhaps where is she now? Now where is she? Okay? Steward said, down in the courtyard, sir. Robert goes to the window. Now Robert means captain goes near the window and asks the soldiers to send the girl up. Send that girl up. Okay? He ordered. Ordered is soldiers. Okay? The girl enters. She is well built, strong country girl. Okay? Well built, strong country girl. How she was? Well built, strong country girl of 17 to 18 years. Okay? 17 or 18 years old. Okay? Well built, strong country girl. The square's glare. Square means here who? Robert. Okay? That. Square's glare. Glare means wide look. Okay? Glare means wide look. Glare. Square's glare neither frightens her nor stops her. Okay? The square's glare, wide look, neither frightens her. Her means here John. John of Arc. Okay? John. Nor stops her. Okay? Means that bravely she stand in front of him. That means, okay? She speaks confidently. Okay? With confident. She speaks. Okay? Now see here. The square's glare neither frightens her nor stops her. This sentence, compound sentence. Okay? Here compound word. Which word used? Neither nor. Okay? So compound sentence. Okay? State the kind of sentence. This is compound sentence. Okay? She speaks confidently. Add a question tag. She speaks confidently. Okay, here no auxiliary verb. So you see the main verb. Main verb is in present tense. Okay, then see the subject. Singular subject. So what? Doesn't she? Doesn't she? Okay. Now see next. Good morning, Captain Square. Now, John's entry, okay? Good morning, Captain Square. You are to give me a horse and armor, okay? You give only me horse and armor and some soldiers. I want some soldiers, okay? And send me to the Dauphin. Dauphin means here who? Oldest son of the King of France. And now became king after his father. Okay, Dauphin, oldest son of the King of France and became king after his father. Okay, now and send me to the Dauphin. That means to meet the Dauphin here. Okay, she asked only good morning. She said good morning, Captain Squire. You are to give me a horse. One horse I want and armor. Armor, see here meaning given. Armor means what? Armor means protective clothing of metal or leather worn in battles by soldiers in former times. Okay, it covers their body, it protects their body. That means armor. Okay, Grimly means seriously or given, and squire means a person of high rank. Squire. Okay, you read this again at home. Okay, each and every sentence line you read. Give importance to English also. Now, where page number 30. Page number 30. Okay. This girl is mad. Why didn't you tell me so, you blockhead? Okay. Now, Captain Robert, he said, this girl is mad. Why didn't you tell me so? You blockhead. Blockhead means stupid person. Okay. Blockhead means stupid person. Sir, do not anger her. Give her what she wants. Please don't be angry. Okay, don't be angry. Okay, please give her what she wants. No, Robert, I shall send you back to your father with orders to put you under lock and key. No? What he said? He said he threatened to send her back to her father and have her locked up. He said, okay, he threatens to send her back to her father and have her locked up. Okay, lock and key means locked up. Okay, you think you will square, but it won't happen that way. You said you would not see me, but here I am. Okay, now John said, you think you will square, but it won't happen that way. You said you would not see me, but here I am. I am standing in front of you. You said no, you had not seen me, but here I am. She said, okay, John of Arc. Robert, so you assumed that I will give you what you want? Okay, you think what you want, everything I will give you. Here assuming means taking for granted. Okay.